You call him what? The work of your dad is just like the work of Miggy's dad. Where's Miggy? Miggy and Tara is the same. We're my daddy. Yung call, diba? The first one is driving, or you call it, you can say the airplane. You call him what? You call him pilot. How about the fighter, the person who fights for, if there's a big fire, how do you call him? He is a firefighter. How about the person working in the ship? Just like the work of Sarah's daddy. What's the work of your daddy, Sarah? Maybe you call him what? Sabi ni Sarah, he is in the ship. Okay. Yes, I'm gonna ask Sarah first. Yes, you. Yes, I'm gonna talk about the engineer. The engineer are the one who builds the houses. But Miggy's dad and Sarah's dad, they are working in the ship. So we call them